Come see this lovely 1-bedroom 1.5 bath 10th floor corner condo unit on the Lafayette River. Huge open living area floor plan. Enjoy gorgeous Lafayette River views and magnificent sunrises. Condo fees include gas, electric, HVAC, water, 7-day reception desk coverage, elevator, basic cable, saltwater pool, library, expansive community/meeting room with water views and full kitchen, trash removal, ground maintenance. Boat dock, boat slips available for yearly resident rental, outdoor grilling area, assigned storage, 1 assigned parking space, full-time maintenance supervisor.